Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Planning Basics. Hope you are doing well. Today we are here with the topic of how we can remove actuals from our Primavera project schedule. If you have updated the actuals and at any stage you need to remove the entire project actuals, then it's possible you can remove actuals with the global change option. If you remove the actuals one by one, then if you have the thousands of activities, then it's take time, maybe 1 week or more than 1 week. That's why we have to create some global change options to remove the all actuals from our activities. So let's move forward to our topic and open your Primavera project schedule. Open, and after that open that schedule where you want to remove the actuals. I have updated this sample project and complete all actuals as per time. You can see here start and finish actuals are completed, and budgeted cost and total cost is here actual cost. Then if you have not assigned the resources to your project, then it's easy, you just sort a column here and put activities not started and use the fill down option to the entire project. It will be 0. And if you have assigned the resources, then you have to do this method. Suppose if I say that activity I have not started, that activity is not completed. If I click here, then one by one I have to finish that activity, finish and start. Now this is, are you sure that you are want to change the activity not started? Yes, this is manual method, that how you can change the actual. First of all, you have to go to the projects. In projects, you have to go in calculation tab. In calculation tabs, click on that project where you want to remove actuals, and here you can see here select the second option, reset remaining duration and units to original, and then go to the activities. After the opening activities, we will go here to the tools, and in tools you have to go to the option global change. In global change we have to add a new one, new global change. Here maximize it. Here we will select activity resource assignment, and here you just write here the name pp6 labor, and here in the filter we will select the resource type. This one is equal to value labor. After the selecting that one, here we have to add 4 in the parameter option, 1 2 3 and 4. Here first of all we will select the actual regular labor units. Here this one, and is equal to, here what we will do, we will do custom. And secondly, actual overtime labor units, actual overtime labor units is equal to custom, and actual overtime cost is equal to custom, and actual regular cost, this one, and custom. After that one we have to click on the change. Here you can see the in the log file the values, old value is 80 and now new value is 0. For the activities the old value has been changed to the new values, and here we will click on the commit changes. I don't want to save the log file. If you want to save, then you will use the save option. Okay, first one, and then we will add another second one, same activity resource assignment, and here we will write planning basics for indication only, non labor, and here resource type same, resource type is equal to non-labor. Select the second one and add here the same 4 in parameters, 1 2 3 4, and the same one like actual overtime non-labor units, actual overtime non-labor units is equal to custom, and then actual overtime cost, this one is equal to custom, and then actual regular cost, this one is equal to custom, and actual regular non-labor units, this one is equal to custom. Okay, change. Now you can see here there is no non-labor units, that's why it's coming like that. Commit changes. No, I don't want. Okay, we will add the third one, new, maximize it, the same activity resource assignment, and here what we will write pp6 and material, and here where resource type, is equal to, select that material, and here we will add 2 in parameter option 1 and 2, expand that tab, and here actual material units, this one, and actual regular cost, this one. We will have to add value custom 0, forget it, add it and change. Now because we did not assign that material cost, that's why it's coming 0. Commit changes. I don't want to save log. Okay. And the fourth option is we have to add a new one to clear our expenses. Here we will select expenses, here pp6 expenses, planning p6 expenses, actuals are like that, whatever you want to write the name you can write name. Here we will add in the parameter value, here add a new one and parameter select to the expense percent complete, this one value custom 0, and then change it. You can see here 2 expenses I have added there to understand you peoples, and now new values, that one. Commit changes. I don't want to save the log file. Okay, this is now we have all added all actuals here, and finally the last step and fifth step is that we have to add here a new one, new. Okay, expand is in the activities, here don't change anything, and here write the name activity status, this is the main. Activity status, and where activity status, here select the activity status, this one is not equal to, here we will select not started, it will be filtered the started activities, and then in parameter values we will add one activity status, here activity status is equal to parameter value is not started, and change that. You can see here the which activities are completed. Now it has been changed as not started. These values are in not started. This new value is not started. It means your actuals has been updated now. Yes, if you want to save the log like that one, you can save the log file and okay, close that tab. Now you can see the actual total cost is 0. And if we schedule on our project, we will see the project date. Here click on the project and go to the dates. You can see 26th October 20. We will run that, copy that date, copy, and go to the activities and schedule and paste that date where you want to apply actual and schedule. It will come to the date where the actuals, this one, to the default on the original date as default. This is how we can remove the actuals from our project easily. Hopefully you understand our today's tutorial. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.